Here, my name is Violet and I'm at Starling Acres YouTube channel. We are milking goats every single day and we live stream it in the morning, but today is extra special because today we picked up our very first, well, actually our second registered buck. But this guy is full grown and he's in red, and now my van stinks forever and ever. So we're gonna take him to his pen where he's going to chill by himself for a little while before joining the ladies. Don't let him push him in his... He's like, no. Mind? Because we're going to be separate for a while. Alright. This is Captain. He's an underage buck. He's not. He's just been fighting with the other buck.
This boy.
Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, look. All right. There we go. Girls. Uh-oh. Here, have a cookie. You don't need a boyfriend right now. You need a cookie.
All of them. Except Penny. They're all flagging. No. No on top. He's running with his tongue. Kissing Chrissy. Yeah, she's kissing Chrissy right there. Right there. Right there.
So these girls are very upset because there's a buck over here. Why are the cats on the kennel? There's a new boy in town. Oh my. They can see him. Got a very handsome little dude over here. And a big hole in the fence. Might be a problem. We just sent him yeah. You know, I'm thinking we probably need to put him in that back pen. But look at how nice she made his enclosure. I'm concerned you might start making your love song. Oh, yeah, there's the tongue. So unfortunately, I got to leave this beautiful scene and move on. Buying a buck, a registered buck, is probably the best and the riskiest choice I've made so far on Starling Acres. He will hopefully improve all the udders on all my goats. If you join me on my live streams every morning, you can see how much on the struggle bus I am with difficult udders. For our next trick, we will be trying to get our freezer full of meat. So we had our beef come in and 2 empty freezers, but they probably won't contain everything, so wish me luck. It would turn out a full cow fits into our freezers. Feeding hay during the sunshiny, beautiful part of the day. It's really hard in the dark, and I keep stepping on pitchforks and things. We got our new buck, and he likes the smell of my girls. He's gonna get to work soon. Not today, not tomorrow, but soon. We're still working with Penny to get her udder chilled. She still requires a hobble or she knocks over the tail and kicks me in the nose. And she's a very nice girl, so we don't need any of that. When you start taking a new goat onto the milk stand who's been with her kids and hasn't been milked before, you do have different things you can try. Treats, hobbles, be patient, and the udder isn't really optimized for you to be hand milking in a lot of cases. It's for the baby goats, so you might find that you have to really work with it. I've got a huge range in udders that I'm working with. It's not all show quality, 10 out of 10, nice hand milkable. Some goats with extra teeth. I've got some goats that are super fibrous and some goats with really, really tiny orifices. Lots of udder massage will help get you where you need to go. That's what I'm finding anyway, and I'm only 6 months into this adventure. But you can do it. Just because it's hard the first 3 times, it's been difficult for about a week every time I add a new milk dough. So, what we call this? Forbidden love. My lovely daddy. So I talk a lot about teeny tiny teats. Very cute little tiny teats. Okay, they're adorable. And she's a mini Nubian, so she's a great big goat. Okay, we're working on Penny. I'm not sure about her, but I've got 1, 2, 3 goats with very difficult teats to milk. So for our registered goats, I'm looking for wonderful, big, milkable teats to improve perhaps a bit on Penny. I don't think I can breed Margot to Captain because she's also naturally pulled. But I feel like Christy's not going to share. She's my #1 doe. And this is love. I mean, milking goats is pretty awesome. And a lot of it is skill and practice. But breeding for larger teat size and hand milkability is super important. I have to catch Willoughby every day. This is how she likes to milk. She likes to chase and caught. And then she's okay on the stand. It's just she has to be caught. Let's go. Willow. 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 She always gets bored and lets me catch her at the end. It's hilarious. I'm having mixed results, feeding grain after and hay before, milking in the afternoon. I guess I'm trying to see how they respond to that because when I milk out here I get rushed and it's very stressful. Over here there's Friday. He's little so he's hiding, but he's a registered buckling, hanging out with Daisy. She's so sweet. And Tramp. And the Dolings have had their lunch. They're feeling pretty great about life. And we've got our happy escape chickens. I don't know if we got any eggs today. 21? 21? Girls, where's your eggs? Okay, he's still being a little tender with it, but he is walking. I don't know, is it possible for llamas to get like the equivalent of a paper cut on their foot? And we've got the little girl crew. Hello, good love. Hello, Karina. Hello, Persephone. Oh, look at yours. Monday, honeysuckle. Beautiful girls. Oh, I didn't bring treats. I'm sorry. No way. No way. Hungry ladies. This guy. Hello. Hello. Hi. I've heard such good things about you. Yeah. Are you ready to fall in love? You look like it. Lover boy. Oh. Let's take a minute and stack our buckets. I had my kiddos helping me out today, and sometimes helping out with the wind is a little chaotic. So stack everything. And honestly, I am airing out that tarp right now. It carried a stinky bug. Yes, it did. Again, the most beautiful November ever. I'm very excited to clean out this milk and have some coffee and forget about my life choices, such as they are. Phil here is telling me that he's exhausted and it's been a really stressful day, and I was just about to tell him that it was the best day ever on our acreage because not only was the sun shining and I got a new buck and I don't have to call the vet because the llama's looking better, but we also got our beef all organized, so that is very, very good news. If you want to join us on more adventures on the acreage and watch Phil cook dinner, please subscribe for this poor guy here. He has to live with me and all my goats and children and chickens. I mean, they're his children too, but come on. All right, like, comment, and subscribe as you do because it's a good time here on Starling Acres. Bye-bye.